everyone. This is Eddie Yu, reporting from HKPCA Show. I'm the managing editor of E-CIO. Today, my honorable guest is Joe Ruff. He is the CEO of Schmoll Asia Pacific. Joe, thanks for coming by.
Thank you for inviting me.
So first, we are going to talk about the trends for the industry moving to South Asia area. So, what do you think about this industry trends, and what's your suggestion about which part should be pay attention?
Well, the trend was starting around HKPCA Show 2022, when we heard the first time that some investments are planning to go to Thailand, Malaysia, general Southeast Asia, and at that time nobody really took it serious. Fortunately, we already had a setup in Thailand, and we took it a bit more serious. And ever since, the situation just accelerated. So more and more companies say, yeah, we also go. Still, a lot of people doubt about what's going on there, and are they real, or are they only try to make promotions for their customers, buying land and do nothing. So we are at Schmoll, we are looking very careful into Thailand. I'm personally there every 3 to 4 months to check the status of the factory, and it's overwhelming. It is overwhelming, the size of the plants and the speed of the development. So we already have a solid customer base there, and we just opened a new service office in Ayutthaya. We will open one in Brajiburi. So all those industrial areas, they are all growing, and it is a very exciting development, but also challenging development. There are few things which are just different to China. It starts with simple things like the language. So our customer have the problem. They will send about maybe 200, 300 Chinese people or Taiwanese people into their investments to start up the production. But who speaks Thai? So the language barrier is already actually one of the main topics which people facing. Beside the cultural differences, you're dealing with Thai people in a completely different way than you're dealing with Chinese or Taiwanese or Korean or whatsoever. So the mentality difference is another challenge to understand this. You need to build a bridge between the investment location and the local people. And then, of course, all those government regulations you have to fulfill. If you are a smaller company, it's almost impossible to open a legal company there, a foreign investment company. So our customers, they don't have a problem because, of course, they're getting supported by the government. But as a small, medium-sized equipment provider, you have a big challenge to start up a company, and you have a big challenge to legalize your people, your foreign stuff. So it's quite some preparation work to do, and it's not just jump in and get it done. No, it's a bit more.
I also think the engineering engineer shortage will be a future problem.
It is a huge problem. The amount of qualified local people the industry will need is tremendous. And they're looking already for foreign labor from neighbor countries, because Thailand itself cannot fulfill the amount of labor. Saying this, of course, this is also a very strong trend in the Thailand factories to go for fully automation. So we never see such a strong demand on automation than in Thailand, because everybody is aware what the HR position means. The HR position is the key factor on being successful in Thailand.
Yeah, sure. We roughly calculate the people from China going to invest there, like public company, almost 50.
Yes.
Yes, there will be a lot of opening ground in that area.
It is. Sure. It is the ground opening is already happened for many investments. There are some factories which are already in production.
Yeah.
One or two, which I know, which are in production. Then you have some of them which will be in production in 3 months, in 6 months, in 9 months. So this will be a steady growth now of companies.
Mm-hmm. So
saying that, we also should not forget Malaysia.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we also have investments in Malaysia going on, but by far not as many as in Thailand.
Yeah, sure. So how you describe the characteristic of the South Asian market, and how your company react to these trends and to meet the needs of this market, like from the products and how you make your promotion there, how you like deliver the equipment, and also following customer service, how you achieve that?
Well, for us, we are in the advantage that every country in Asia is a foreign country for us. Yeah, we are not local. Our competition, they are local Chinese, and then they are used to deliver something in China and service something in China and just have the local market. For us, it is normal that we have to provide outstanding service. We have to have all those things like shipments and those kind of things. This is standard to us. Mm-hmm. And saying that our strategy all over Asia is very clear. We go where the customer goes. Mm-hmm. Means wherever we have customers, we open our offices. Mm-hmm. And usually we have German management there, mm-hmm. plus local Asian talents. So for example, we have an office in Korea, we have one in Taiwan, we have 2 offices in China with about 5 to 8 sub-offices. And in Thailand, we already have 2 offices. Mm-hmm. In Malaysia, we have 1 office. Mm-hmm. So we are always get into the market, make sure we have all the necessary spare parts on stock, make sure we have the qualification, and make sure we can give the customer a good support. Mm-hmm. And this is what the customer require from us. We are not the cheapest. We are a German company, so whatever we do is a little bit more expensive. Mm-hmm. So we have to have this overall package.
Mm-hmm. I see. So everybody think AI will be the next boosters for our industry. So what do you think about this new application, and what's the needs for our PCB productions?
It will be, is maybe the wrong wording. It is already the boost of our market.
Yeah, sure.
It started about, let me say, a year ago, mm-hmm. when NVIDIA started to announce certain things, and we could feel that the technology is getting increasingly challenging. Mm-hmm. Yeah, accuracies, hole density, backdrilling is the word right now.
Yeah, sure.
You know, everybody talk about backdrilling. 2 years ago, if you talk about backdrilling, you had 5 companies to talk. Mm-hmm. Now we talk about backdrilling with every second customer.
Yeah, sure.
Because everybody try to get into this market because it is sexy to have a product or have AI production. Right now, the AI is focusing still very much on the server and data handling products. So this gives the market not so much potential for growing anymore. Mm-hmm. But the new trend is that most of the new PCs will be also have AI components on it. And that will be then a much stronger boom. So actually everybody expecting 2025, 2026 will be a boosting market, and AI will be the key driving force of it.
Okay, cool. So I want to add another question, like the automotive application is still a big demand for our industry. So what's your expectation for this specific area? Like
Yes.
how long the peak will maintain?
Well, if you look on the automotive industry, it's very obvious. With every new model, electronic is getting more challenging.
Yeah.
With every new model, you have more square meters of PCBs inside, and you get different applications. Different sensor technology requires different PCBs. You know, automotive PCB 10 years ago, this was a simple part. Yeah, a rather simple part.
Yeah.
Right now, if you look on how many different PCBs are in a mobile, it's amazing. With the e-cars, of course, and then the automatic driving and all these sensor thingies around the car. This gives the market or the automotive business a very stable growth. So if you coming back now to Thailand, if you ask the people what they do, what is their focus on the production, they say automotive.
I see.
So that this is very obvious that automotive is beside the AI the driving force.
Okay, thank you. It's very nice to talk to you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks again. This is Eddie Yu reporting from HKPCA Show.